Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity. The minutes that you give me, sir, I request that I speak for 1 minute and donate a few to my colleague.
You cannot donate any time.
Thank you, sir. All the same, I'll speak.
Yes.
My opinion is this, and I speak as a member of parliament for Migori County. The committee has reported that they went round and the people of Kenya suggested that they bring it to 1.5, the housing levy. They are not being sincere unless they were doing this out of Kenya, but not in Kenya. Kenyans are saying zero. They don't want it. They are not interested. They are not aware of your 1.5. And I'm questioning this. If you are dishonest, even after speaking to Wananchi, where is your honesty? Chair, you said that people told you that they want 1.5. Right now, I'm receiving calls and SMSs, and they're telling me, Fatuma, speak for us. In Migori County, Kenya at large, we are not aware of that 1.5. You never visited Migori. I believe you didn't visit anywhere other than your small offices. You sit there, take coffee, and make decisions for Kenya. We are telling you we are not interested in your levy. We want food on our tables. Our children are going hungry. We don't need houses. We are living in our grass thatch houses. We are comfortable with those houses. All we want is food. And as a youth, I'm telling you, shame who? Shame on you. I am not aware of your input. And I'm telling you, you should be ashamed. You are lying either for yourself or for your government. As the people of Kenya, as a youth, I am telling you, whatever you promised us in your agenda, keep your agenda and stop shaka-hollering us. We are not interested in your house. It will not even come even if we give you 100% levy. We know the truth that you don't keep your promises, and you're not going to twist us in this. Stop lying to Kenyans and face reality. Kenyans wamechoka. They are not interested in this house levy. They're asking for one request. Please give us food. Don't give us houses that do not exist. After all, as a Muslim, there is a golden house waiting for me in heaven. I don't need one from Kenya Kwanza. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Wakili Mureu. Wakili Mureu. Rendekeri.